Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to be taking a look at this Kinesis Freestyle keyboard. It's kind of unique. I haven't hooked it up and actually used it yet, but thought I would show it to you guys if anybody's interested in some sort of a split ergonomic type keyboard with a lot of different configurations you can do. So this is it. You can see it doesn't have the keypad on the right, so that way when you're typing you can just reach for your mouse. It's right over to the right here. And they do have some quick keys over here. If you look, you got a back and a forward, a search, home, control, or being cut, delete, copy and paste, and a couple other keys. Your escape key up is nice and wide and big on the top left there. Same with your delete key. Got a space bar on both sides of the keyboard. It's fairly quiet, except for the space bar is a little noisy. But now there's some extra pieces here that I have that I'm going to be installing onto this thing. This is a wrist rest for the left and a wrist rest for the right. So let's go ahead and hook this up real quick. It's fairly simple. You just line up the little tabs into the holes and click it right in. Same thing with this side. Click it in. Didn't really click much, but now you got your rest, your wrist rest. And again, you can, whatever's comfortable for you, you just kind of set it there. Now, these things are kind of neat. They pivot and, well, swivel, I guess you could say, to do two different positions. And let's see if we can go ahead and get this installed. So this is the left side. Actually, they got a little sticker on them, a little red sticker, so that's the right side. And the blue sticker is on the left. So you just hook this right in there and clip it in. Now, you got that position, or if you want it a little bit higher, lift it up to that position. Same thing on this side. Just gonna clip that in there. Put that side in there. And there you go. You got your elevated ergonomic split keyboard. If that's too high, let's go down a little bit.